You can also set notification and privacy settings in GoldPASS. To choose if and how to receive notifications from GoldPASS, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then click Notifications. From here, click Edit Notification Preferences. Scroll through the list to customize the notifications you'd like to receive from GoldPASS. To set your privacy settings, click on your profile icon and then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Privacy section and you'll see that you have 3 different options to choose from. If you select Community, your profile will be visible to employers, students, and alumni across all colleges and universities that use Handshake. If you select Employers, your profile will be visible to employers only. You can also choose to keep your profile private. If you choose Community or Employers, you may receive messages from employers about open opportunities. If you choose Private, you'll still be able to apply for jobs within GoldPASS, but you won't receive messages from employers.